So here you can see I am again logged into Google AI Studio, and here you can see I have given it a prompt. I need you to create me a video of a Yeti coming out of a cave located at the top of the icy mountains. So this is imaginary character or whatever you can call it. So let's see if Google AI Studio can generate this video. So it is going to be 16 by 9, 8 seconds of length, and the frame rate is set to 24 fps, resolution is 720p. You cannot change these two values, and if I give this value of 2, it will create two versions of this prompt. So let's see what it creates. Now here you can see the down timer is running. It takes roughly around 1 minute to create videos using Google AI Studio. So let's see what we get in 1 minute. So after about 1 minute, it has generated these two variations of the video. So let's see if they are accurate or not. This is the first video. Let's play it. It looks more like a chimpanzee, not a Yeti, but it did understand my concept or prompt. So let's play the second video. You can see it is walking on fours, but as far as I know, or I have heard, that Yeti walks on feet, not on hands. So I can refine this prompt and get another iteration of it, but let's go ahead and download these two videos, because if you give another prompt to it, it will not save these two videos. So you need to download these beforehand so that you have all three versions of the video. I'm saving this one and saving this one as well from here. Just need to click on this downwards arrow and you will be able to download the video to your location. So here I'm going to refine the prompt here. So here I have refined it and wrote it should walk on its feet, not on all fours. So let's see if it can generate that kind of a video. Now you can see I cannot go to the other two videos I had generated earlier because those two videos are gone. You cannot save them now. So we knew it earlier, so I downloaded those two videos beforehand. Okay, so this video is also generated within 1 minute, and now let's see what it looks like. Again, it is walking on all fours, not on its feet. So maybe my prompt is not up to the mark, or I don't know. Let me know in comments. So if I play it once again, this is what it looks like. It has a face of a chimpanzee or gorilla, whatever you call it. It's not a Yeti as per the description of people who have seen it in the mountains. So all the three videos are here. I'm downloading this one as well. So this was the first one, this is the second one, and the third one is here. I'll play all those videos now just to show you how all these three look like. Let me get out of the full screen mode and play all these three videos. 1, 2, 3. This is the first one. Let's play the first one. So yes, Google AI Studio works, but not giving you the exact thing you ask it for. But since it is an imaginary character, or maybe People who have seen it, they know it. But Google AI Studio did create us the environment and some sort of a figure which looks like Yeti but is not Yeti as per the descriptions of people who have seen it. Because people who have seen it, they say it walks on its feet, but in all of the 3 videos generated, this figure is walking on all fours. We did refine the prompt but still did not get the proper video. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll answer all your questions.